Namaskar. Good morning, everyone. I'm your prep class teacher, Deepa ma'am. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Now let's start today's class. Today I will teach you three-letter words with the help of vowel A, E, I, O and U. As we have already done sound words in KG class, so today I am taking quick revision of that, and in coming classes we will start with four-letter words. We will take first vowel A. With the help of this vowel we can start three-letter words, that is C-A-T, cat, and the sound is k-a-t, cat. The next one B-A-T, bat, and the sound is b-a-t, bat. Next one M-A-T, mat, and the sound is m-a-t, mat. The next one R-A-T, rat, and the sound is r-a-t, rat. Next one F-A-T, fat, and the sound is f-a-t, fat. Next one H-A-T, hat, and the sound is h-a-t, hat. Next one V-A-N, van, and the sound is v-a-n, van. Next one C-A-N, can, and the sound is k-a-n, can. Now kids, we will repeat all these. C-A-T, cat, B-A-T, bat, M-A-T, mat, R-A-T, rat, F-A-T, fat, H-A-T, hat, V-A-N, van, C-A-N, can. Got it? I know you all are very quick learner. Again, with the help of a vowel, we can make another words. So first one is F-A-N, fan, and the sound is f-a-n, fan. Next one P-A-N, pan, and the sound is p-a-n, pan. Speak along with me kids. R-A-N, ran, and the sound is r-a-n, ran. The next one T-A-P, tap, and the sound is t-a-p, tap. Next one C-A-P, cap, and the sound is k-a-p, cap. Next one C-A-R, car, and the sound is k-a-r, car. Let's recap. Speak along with me. F-A-N, fan, P-A-N, pan, R-A-N, ran, T-A-P, tap, C-A-P, cap, C-A-R, car. That's all. We have learnt A sound words. Now we will learn E sound words. So kids, ready for E sound words? Let's start. H-E-N, hen. H, N, hen. Next one, T, E, N, ten. And the sound is T, N, tan. The next one, P, E, N, pen. And the sound is P, N, pan. Next one, D, E, N, den. And the sound is D, N, dan. Next one, N, E, T, net. And the sound is N, E, T, net. Next one, J, E, T, jet. And the sound is J, E, T, jet. Next one, B, E, D, bed. And the sound is B, E, D, bed. Next one, R, E, D, red. And the sound is R, E, D, red. Next one, K, E, G, keg. And the sound is K, E, J, K, E, G, keg. Next one, L, E, G, leg. And the sound is L, E, G, leg. Now students, we will repeat all these. Speak along with me. H, E, N, hen. T, E, N, tan. P, E, N, pen. D, E, N, dan. N, E, T, net. J, E, T, jet. B, E, D, bed. R, E, D, red. K, E, G, keg. L, E, G, leg. Let's move on to I sound words. So first word is B, I, N, bin. And the sound is B, E, N, bin. Next one, P, I, N, pin. And the sound is P, E, N, pin. Next one, K, I, D, kid. And the sound is K, E, D, kid. Next one, B, I, B, bib. And the sound is B, E, B, bib. Next one, Z, I, P, zip. And the sound is Z, E, P, zip. Next one, L, I, P, lip. And the sound is L, E, P, lip. Next one, L, I, D, lid. And the sound is L, E, D, lid. Next one, P, I, G, pig. And the sound is P, E, G, pig. Fine kids? Now we will repeat all these. Speak along with me. B-I-N, bin. P-I-N, pin. K-I-D, kid. B-I-B, bib. Z-I-P, zip. L-I-P, lip. L-I-D, lid. P-I-G, pig. Very good students. Now we will do one activity. As you can see, I have pictures on one side and sound words on other side. Can you help me to match them? Come on, let's do it. So, kids, first look at this picture. What is this? Yes, tell me. Yes, you are right. This is a picture of a hat. And now, where is the word? Just search. This one. C-A-R? No, this is car. Next one. Read this. Yes, kids. H-A-T. Yes, come on. Hat. Very nice. Let's match. H-A-T. Hat. Now look at this second picture. What is this? I know you all know this very well. Can. Correct, kids. And where is the word? Just look at carefully. Yes, yes, yes. It's here. Read this word. C-A-N. Can. Let's match. C-A-N. Can. Wonderful. Next picture is of, yes, tell me, what is this? Car. Correct, kids. And where is the word C-A-R, car? Where it is? Yes, it is on the top. C-A-R, car. Match with it. Wonderful, kids. Now look at this picture. This is a picture of a mat. And where is the word? Be quick. Yes, 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 come on. Yes, you are right. It's here. Now match it. M-A-T, mat. Now look at this picture. This is a van. And where is the word van? It's here. V-A-N, van. Match with it. Next one. This is fan. And where is the word? F-A-N, fan. Match this. Now students, let's do activity 2. So here what you will do? Look at the picture and match with the correct word. So look at this picture. What is this? This is a picture of a zip. And the spelling of zip is, who's gonna tell me? Yes, tell me. The spelling of zip is, just look at here carefully where it is. This one, Z-I-P, zip. Yes, you are correct. So match with this. Z-I-P, zip. Now look at this picture. This is number 10. 10. And the spelling is T-E-N, 10. So it's here. T-E-N, 10. Correct. So match with it. T-E-N, 10. Now this one, this is a bad. And where is the word bad? It's here. B-E-D, bad. Match with this. Next one, which animal is this? Yes, right. This is pig. And the spelling of this animal is, speak up. Yes, kids. Correct. P-I-G, pig. Now just look at over here where pig is written. This one, J-E-T, no. This one, P-I-G, yes, kids, you are right. So match with this. P-I-G, pig. Next one, look at this picture. This is lip. And where word is? The word is here. L-I-P, lip. Let's match with this. L-I-P, lip. The last picture is of jet. And where is jet written? It's here. J-E-T, jet. Say again. J-E-T, jet. Match with this. Wonderful job, kids. Students, today we have revised A, E and I sound words. O and U sound words we will do in our next class. Now kids, let's revise sight words with me. There are certain words in the English language which are not phonetically pronounced or are exception to the rules of grammar. We call these sight words. Children, read sight words with me and read daily at home. Let's start. First letter is, this is A. But as you all know, when A is alone and is not having any friends, we call it A. So, this is A. What we call it? A. Say again. A. Good picture. Next is I. Next one is IS, is. Next one IN, in. Next one IT, it. ON, on. TO, to. MY, my. THE, the. THIS, this. THAT, that. HAS, has. Now we will repeat all these. This is A. IS, is. IN, in. IT, it. ON, on. TO, to. MY, my. THE, the. THIS, this. THAT, that. HAS, has. With the help of sight words and sound words, we can read sentences. So kids, are you ready to read the sentences? Yes? Let's start. And the first sentence is, what is it? This one, A or A? What we call it? A. Correct, kids. So read this. A, FAT, fat. RAT, rat. A fat rat. Next sentence. A CAT, cat. RAN, ran. A cat ran. Next sentence. JIM, Jim. HAS, has. A MAP, map. Jim has a map. Next sentence. A MAN, man. HAS, has. A NAP, nap. A man has a nap. THE, the. BAG, bag. HAS, has. A TAG, tag. The bag has a tag. One more time. A fat rat. A cat ran. Jim has a map. A man has a nap. The bag has a tag. Now students, we do few fill-ups. So first one is, what you will do in this, you just look at the picture and write in the given space. The correct word you will write in the given space. So first look at this. This is number 10 and the spelling of 10 is T-E-N 10. Then look at this picture. What is this? Jet. So here you will write J-E-T, jet. Now read this sentence. 10 men in a jet. Second sentence. T-H-E, the. This is rat. So you will write here R-A-T, rat, is on the bed. Correct. So you write here B-E-D, bed. Read this sentence. The rat is on the bed. Third sentence. T-H-E, the. Now look at this picture. Tell me, what is this? This is a picture of a pen. So in the given space, you will write P-I-N, pen, is on the, this is bib. And the spelling is B-I-B, bib. Read again. The pen is on the bib. Last sentence, T-H-E, the. L-I-D, lid. This is a picture of a lid. So you write here L-I-D, lid, is on the bin. So here you write B-I-N, bin. That's all for today, kids. So students, your today's task is read A, E and I sound words. Write 10 each A, E and I sound words in your rough notebook. Thank you. Goodbye.